Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of Iqra Huffaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English Grammar for class 7 and this is lecture number 33. My dear students, in the previous classes we discussed future perfect tense and today we will do its book exercises. So kindly take out your books and open page number 12. Okay, on page number 12 we have exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs to make future perfect tense. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास fill in the blanks हैं और हमें इन्हें future perfect tense में change करना है. And we know future perfect tense में हम कैसे करते हैं, we use will have और shall have as an auxiliary verb और उसके बाद we use past participle form of the verb यानी कि third form of the verb. ठीक है, अब the first one we have we dash, the verb is start the new computers before the class ends. ठीक है, तो we के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं, we और I के साथ we use shall have और जितने भी दूसरे pronouns और noun है उनके साथ we use will have. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, we shall have and the third form of start is started. We shall have started the new computers before the class ends. Alright, the next is they and the verb is serve, served, served. ठीक है, they will have served the lunch by the clock strikes 2. They will have served the lunch by the clock strikes 2. The third one is I and we use shall have with I. So, and the verb is buy. So, the third form of buy is bought. Buy, bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. I shall have bought a new car before the December ends. I shall have bought a new car before the December ends. Next we have we dash take, took, taken. So the past participle form of take is taken. We shall have taken a trip to Muckley Hills before the next summer vacation starts. We shall have taken a trip to Muckley Hills before the next summer vacation starts. Okay, and the last one is my brother will have. My brother will have, and the verb is become, became, become. The past participle form is also become, became, become. My brother will have become an engineer before the next year starts. Alright, now look at the board for answers. Answers of exercise A. Number 1, shall have started. Number 2, will have served. Number 3, shall have bought. Number 4, shall have taken. Number 5, will have become. Okay, this is exercise A and its exercise B and exercise C will be your homework. Exercise B, change the sentences into negative. So the sentences given in exercise B, so you have to change those sentences into negative. Okay, that is your homework. And exercise C, change the sentences into interrogative and you have to transform these sentences into interrogative. ठीक है, आपने इनके interrogative बनाने हैं. So exercise B और C, ये दोनों exercises आपकी homework हैं. All right. Next exercise is exercise D. Translate the following sentences. The first one is मुसलमान यहूदियों के खिलाफ जंग जीत चुके होंगे। मुसलमान यहूदियों के खिलाफ जंग जीत चुके होंगे। ठीक है, तो नाउ यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट दिस सेंटेंस इनटू इंग्लिश। कैसे करेंगे? Muslims will have won, जीत चुके होंगे, win, won, WON, Muslims will have won the war against Jews, यहूदियों को कहते हैं Jews। ओके, Muslim will have won the war against Jews। The next one is वो हर हाल में उनकी मदद कर चुके होंगे। ठीक है, वो यानी कि कर चुके होंगे, हमें पता चल रहा है कि सेंटेंस शुरू हो रहा है प्लूरल से। ठीक है, सो दे विल हैव हेल्प्ड देम इन एनी केस, हर हाल में, इन एनी केस, दे विल हैव हेल्प देम इन एनी केस। ऑलराइट, थर्ड वन इज क्या बर वक्त इलाज से मरीज सेहतियाब हो चुका होगा? इट्स एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, हियर वी कैन सी द क्वेश्चन मार्क इन द एंड। क्या बर वक्त इलाज से मरीज सेहतियाब हो चुका होगा? विल द पेशेंट हैव रिकवर्ड, विल द पेशेंट हैव रिकवर्ड विथ टाइमली ट्रीटमेंट? I repeat, will the patient have recovered with timely treatment? Fourth one is मासी दूध उबाल चुकी होगी। The maid will have boiled the milk. The maid will have boiled the milk. And the last one is क्रिकेट टीम के खिलाड़ी, द प्लेयर्स ऑफ क्रिकेट टीम, मैच के लिए जमा नहीं हुए होंगे। द प्लेयर्स ऑफ क्रिकेट टीम विल नॉट हैव गैदर्ड फॉर द मैच। द प्लेयर्स ऑफ क्रिकेट टीम विल नॉट हैव गैदर्ड फॉर द मैच। ओके, नाउ लुक एट द बोर्ड फॉर आंसर्स। Here we have the translated sentences of exercise D. Number 1, Muslims will have won the war against Jews. Number 2, they will have helped them in any case. Number 3, will the patient have recovered with timely treatment? Question mark. Will the patient have recovered with timely treatment? Question mark. The fourth one is the maid will have boiled the milk. The maid will have boiled the milk. And the last one is the players of cricket team will not have gathered for the match. The players of cricket team will not have gathered for the match. Okay, I hope you have understood well, and that's all for today. Now you have to do these exercises in your book. Take very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.